I have been selling digital products since 2009, and I perfectly know how this market is evolving and why. And in this video, I want to focus your attention on 3 best digital products ideas in 2023 that will allow you to make $300 plus per day. But there is a catch. Keep watching this video till the end because I'm going to reveal some secrets that most marketers and YouTubers don't want you to know. My name is Max Cecco, and I teach you the skills and mindset to turn your knowledge or someone else's expertise into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. First of all, when you think about creating and selling digital products, I want to encourage you from the beginning of this video to avoid selling cheap products, especially if you start from scratch, no one knows you, and if you don't have a strong social presence. The reason is simple, and no one underlines this fundamental concept. Advertising costs are increasing daily, so you can't think of selling ebooks at $30 each, or Canva or Excel templates are $50 each, because most of the time, you will not cover the advertising investment either. In addition, you will not be able to scale your business. On the flip side, the strategy changes completely if you decide to avoid investing in paid ads and your strategy is 100% focused on building your authority on social media. By doing so, you should create daily content in order to reach people interested in your message. In this case, you could even think of creating cheap digital products, but honestly, I discourage you from thinking this way. If you focus your energy on creating and selling the following 3 digital products or services, you can easily sell them both via paid ads and organic growth. All these 3 digital products are focused on selling your expertise or someone else's knowledge and experience to help people solve their problems. So, guys and girls, I will not teach you how to sell shit to people because I'm not capable of doing it. So, I'm so sorry. And if you stop watching this video, it's okay. Indeed, there are tons of prodigy influencers that can teach you that, okay? Digital product number 1. Video course plus weekly sessions of Q&A. Creating a step-by-step online video course is not enough. Today, everyone can quickly create an online video course. The market is full of people trying to sell you anything for the sole purpose of making money. They usually sell online courses without any support. In addition, today videos are everywhere. So Instagram is pushing Reels to compete with TikTok. YouTube is full of video content. You can practically learn everything without paying a dime. So the question is, what makes an online video course attractive to your potential customers? The answer is straightforward. You and your live support. People are more than willing to invest in your online video course for 2 main reasons. Number 1, if you structure it properly, with the exact process your clients have to follow to reach their desired outcome. And number 2, your clients want your support because they perfectly know that they will find difficulties in putting into practice your information, and if no one is willing to help them in real time or with weekly live sessions, they are reluctant to invest their money. For instance, by planning even 1 weekly session of 2 hours each, you allow your audience to have direct access to you and your intellectual property without investing more money. It's like providing a sort of coaching session in which your clients can get your support to overcome the obstacles they are facing. Keep in mind that with your live support, you can even ask premium prices because of your special assistance. It means that the price of your online video course can quadruple if compared to the price of similar information provided by your competitors. It all depends on how you structure your offer, but it is not the topic of this video. A similar online video course can be sold for between $500 and $2,000. Digital product number 2. one-to-one mentoring program plus video recordings. I love this information product because it is one of the most powerful weapons to speed up the results. In a nutshell, you are willing to guide your potential customers through the entire journey in order to get the outcome they want to achieve. It is a completely customized program tailored to your customers' needs. Let me explain it better. When you decide to sell a mentoring program, for sure you have to know your topic very well. It means that you have identified a process, a system that allows your client to get faster results with minimum effort. To create this digital product or service, you should act in this way. Think about the entire process you want to teach and identify the essential information every client needs to absorb regardless of their business. Since you share this information with each client, it can be packaged in video format to avoid losing time and energy in explaining the same things to all your clients. This is why video recordings are essential. Then the whole program is tailored based on your client's needs. Mentoring program usually consists of 10-15 sessions, one online session per week, in which you guide the customer step by step. The mentoring program evolves in real time based on how the customer puts into practice the guidelines you teach them. This is the reason why it is so valuable. It can be sold for between $5,000 to $15,000. If you offer a mentorship program, you have to be able to produce results. You absolutely have to know how to do your job. Digital product number 3, online consulting. I love providing this service because with a 1-hour consultation, you can usually make between $200 and $500. It all depends on your authority in your field of competency. This is why I strongly believe that creating your social authority by sharing your knowledge and experience on social networks for free is the best asset you should work on in the years to come. Attention is the new currency. Consulting is efficient because you can work one-on-one with your client and be completely focused on finding a solution to help them produce fast results. In addition, keep in mind that consulting helps you sell other digital products, even online courses, based on your client's needs. It's a great vehicle to deliver your authority, understand clients' needs, and sell whatever you want. Do not forget it. Now that you have understood the 3 best digital products to sell online in 2023, I urge you to watch a video I published weeks ago regarding the mindset and strategies behind selling information products, how the info business model works. So, watch it now.